Most store-bought granola bars are marketed as healthy, but they're actually loaded with sugar and preservatives. Today I'll show you 3 homemade granola bars you can trust. 1 classic, 1 diabetic-friendly, and 1 high-protein. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you care about eating better, saving money, and knowing exactly what's in your food, you're in the right place. Let's get started. This first recipe is a healthier version of the classic granola bar. No artificial flavors, no preservatives. You'll need rolled oats, chopped nuts, honey or maple syrup, peanut butter, coconut oil or butter, vanilla and a pinch of salt. Optional, dried fruit or dark chocolate chips. Start by mixing your dry ingredients together. Gently warm your wet ingredients until smooth and pourable. Add the vanilla off the heat. Combine everything while it's still warm so it coats evenly. Fold in any extras now. Line a pan with parchment for easy removal. Spread the mixture evenly to the edges. Press firmly, really firmly. Bake at 350° Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, until lightly golden at the edges. Let them cool completely before slicing. This sets the structure. Then slice into bars. Store in an airtight container for the week. Chewy, toasty, and just sweet enough. This is your baseline bar. Next, let's make a diabetic-friendly version that keeps the texture without the sugar spike. This version is especially good for diabetics or anyone watching blood sugar levels. Use oats or go half oats and half nuts to lower the overall carbs. Nut butter for richness and binding. Replace honey with monk fruit or allulose. They have little to no impact on blood sugar. You'll also need coconut oil, cinnamon, and vanilla. Mix your dry ingredients with a good sprinkle of cinnamon. Warm the nut butter with your sweetener and oil until smooth. Combine, then press firmly into a lined pan. You can bake briefly for a toasty flavor, or refrigerate for a no-bake version. Adding cinnamon may also help with blood sugar control. Let them set fully before slicing for neat bars. Sweet without the crash, and the same satisfying chew. Customize with seeds or coconut flakes to dial in texture and fats. Perfect for lunchboxes or a steady energy snack. Recap: mix dry, warm wet, combine, press hard, bake or chill, slice once set. Now a high-protein, budget-friendly bar that powers workouts and costs less than store-bought. Base: rolled oats and affordable peanut butter. Add protein powder, whey or plant-based, your choice. Optional boosts: dried milk powder or pasteurized liquid egg whites. Pumpkin seeds and chia add protein and minerals for cheap. For budget sweetness, use a little honey or homemade date paste. A touch of oil keeps bars moist. Flavor with cinnamon, vanilla, and salt. Measure with a scale to get consistent results and stretch your budget. Stir protein powder into the dry mix so it disperses evenly. If using milk powder, add it here for extra creaminess. Add chopped peanuts or almonds for crunch and budget protein. Warm peanut butter with your sweetener and oil until smooth. Stir in vanilla and cinnamon off heat to keep flavor bright. Combine while warm. The mixture should be thick but slightly tacky. If it crumbles, add a tablespoon of warm water or more binder. If too wet, sprinkle in more oats or a bit of protein powder. Use a larger pan for more bars without changing the recipe. Budget win. Press as firmly as possible to prevent cracking. For max protein integrity, chill 2 to 3 hours. Or bake 8 to 12 minutes at 350° NAS for toastiness. Try a second pan on top with a few cans for a super compact slab. Lift out once fully set. Score first, then cut in smooth, confident strokes for clean edges. Wrap for grab and go or freeze up to 3 months. Store with a small paper towel to absorb extra moisture. Budget check. Buying in bulk can get you under $0.40, $0.60 per bar, depending on mix-ins. Protein math. With powder and seeds, 10-14 GRI protein per bar is realistic. Compared to $1.50, $2 per store bar, you keep more money in your pocket. Chocolate peanut butter. Add cocoa to the dry and drizzle melted dark chocolate. Berry vanilla. Crush some freeze-dried berries into the mix. Mocha crunch. Add instant espresso and cacao nibs. Salted tahini. Swap peanut butter for tahini and top with sesame. If crumbly, you likely need more binder or firmer pressing. Warm the top and repress, then chill. If sticky, bake a few extra minutes or add 2 to 3 tablespoons oats and chill longer. If over-browned, shave edges with a microplane and dip in dark chocolate. 3 styles, same method. Mix, press, set. Choose your sweetness and protein to fit your goals. Great for work, school, or pre-gym snacks. Alright, let's recap everything one more time. Master method: mix dry, warm wet, combine, press hard, bake 325-350 F 8 to Chill 2 to 3 hours. Cool fully. Slice. Store. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more budget-friendly meal prep. Grab the printable recipes in the description, plus my batch cooking playlist. Comment which bar you'll try first: classic, diabetic-friendly, or high protein. See you next time.